So we're gonna do something a little different today. I know it's been a while. It's been like months since I posted a video, which is crazy. It's because I've been working on some stuff in the last few months. I've done quite a few things. The last 6 months I've been building a motorbike, which is crazy. It's all electric, but it scoots. I'll show it to y'all later. The last, I don't know, month and a half I've been putting together my CNC machine and the enclosure. This is my CNC machine. Dun, 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 dun. Yay, CNC, woo! So I built out this whole enclosure, the table, everything like that. So I'm working on a few things with it, just trying to like learn it and the software. The first cuts I made and the first things I did was the doors. I basically cut out everything so I could put plexiglass in here. Since then, I've done like a few fun little things. Then I'm just in the middle now of doing this Death Star clock. Thought it'd be kind of fun, kind of cool. I just took MDF and then followed the House of Timber. She has amazing paint tutorial stuff. So just followed her like spray paint tutorial because she does a lot of signs that are super cool. It came out really well. So I'm super excited about that. And then now what we're gonna work on today is a sign for the shop. So it's gonna be a Van Houten guitar sign. What I got here is 3/4 inch plywood. It's just the sanded plywood, nothing special. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stain this, cut out my sign shape, and then we're gonna put it all together. This is basically gonna be the outside of the sign. I'm gonna cut this shape out of that plywood. Millennium Falcon to the rescue. That messed up. Also, side note y'all, this is not like a marketing thing or something, but I've been rocking this for like the last couple months. It's a Walrus Oil Loggers hand salve. It has like saved my hands. Smells amazing. Smells like Christmas time or something. It's got like cloves in it and cinnamon. It's just like, but it's like a masculine scent kind of a thing too, so it's pretty good. Yeah, it's just like saving my hands in the shop. So I highly, highly recommend that. If you're prone to chapped hands, like myself, yeah, it's good stuff. All right, so a little update on the sign here. I got most of it done, but the little letters here, they ended up being like the tabs that I created on them weren't big enough and there weren't enough of them. So a lot of them got sucked up into my vacuum, which I'm not gonna try and get out because that would be a pain. But I did get some of them that I'm gonna have to clean up, but I've got to recut and then cut some more. Some of the ends of them are, got a little tweaked. So yeah, there's only a handful of them. So I'm gonna recut and we'll go from there. I got everything else here sanded for the most part. I gotta sand this a little bit. This is gonna go around the outside of the sign. I'm gonna stain this and then I'm gonna paint all of the lettering. So it should be pretty cool. I've got two little flying bees here. I think that's kind of fun up at the top. That's good. The first letter stayed and didn't get sucked up, so we're good. So I just finished my sign, my shop sign. If you did like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I've got more videos coming. I know it's been like a while since I posted, but been working on so many projects and got so many videos on the way. So definitely more guitar content coming. Working on a couple different guitar bodies right now, finalizing things on these, but got a lot of stuff coming. Anyways, hope you like the sign.